watch me as I go through and discuss exactly what my week looked like last week with trading. So you're gonna see at the top a negative $388 as I begin to scroll down. The week always starts for me personally with the withdrawal. Now I started out, I took some losses. I didn't send these trades to the group, but I took some losses. CHF we did hit a TP on that. GBP also too as well. TP. You're going to see I start to fight back. I want you to pay attention that some of the same trades I lost on, like NZD, JPY, even CHF, JPY, I took some losses on. I come back and I hit on those same trades again. Sometimes you're going to have to take the trade again. Now, the ones I'm clicking on, you see the green highlighted. Those went to the chat and they did hit take profit. I'm highlighting that for you now so you know I'm taking the same exact trades that I'm sending out. No different. If anything, I just take more trades. Once again, you see NZD, JPY. I'm back inside that trade. Pay attention to how many times you see GBP, AUD, Great Britain pound versus the Aussie dollar. How many times do you see that on my screen? I came in and out of that trade multiple times, where that trade is still active. It's a long-term trade. Why sit there and not continue to make money on it when you can be making money? CHF, JPY, NZD, JPY again. You're starting to see it more and more. You're going to see here Euro, NZD, I took a loss. And then I'm going to come back and you're going to see where I made money on Euro, NZD. Sometimes, like I said, you have to take that loss. You might have entered at the wrong time, but it's going to be a good time later on. Once again, where you see a hit TP, that was sent out to the group. All right, GBP AUD, once again, you're seeing it on the screen. Euro NZD, I'm fighting back from that loss, so I am taking losses, guys. My account goes up and down just like you guys' accounts when I send out these trades. But ultimately, like I said, I fight back against the market and I try to take a smart trade on my re-entry. Now, when you're seeing these balances with small, negative 29 cents, so on and so forth, those are the swaps from holding trades overnight into a new trading day. GBP USD was sent to the chat as well. Once again, GBP AUD. Now, it hit a take profit, but that's only because I changed and edited where I got out of that trade. But coming back to it, GBP AUD, it went deep into profit before falling back down. It makes no sense, like I said before, for you to sit in these trades and not make money. If it goes up, you can, once again, you're seeing it there. Euro CAD, that went to the chat as well. Euro JPY, that was in the chat as well. I do take multiple entries because when something goes up, like a GBP AUD, you can get out and maybe hold one and see if it goes the distance. If not, you can just close all of those. And then you just monitor the trade, or you can ask a question inside the Better Investors chat, like, hey, Rob, did this trade hit TP or did it hit stop loss yet? And if I say no, what does that mean? That means you can re-enter the trade with the same parameters. Once again, Euro NZD, you're seeing it again. GBP AUD, you're seeing it again. Getting back in and making money on that trade. I made a total of $33 on that trade, and it hasn't even hit take profit. So at the end of last week, I took another $100 withdrawal, and you're seeing that I made for the week $223 profit.